In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your eBay account to view and retrieve payment receipts easily and efficiently. Whether you're tracking your expenses, verifying a purchase, or simply need the details for your records, knowing where and how to find these receipts can save you time and ensure accuracy. Let's start by accessing your eBay account and walking through these steps together. First, open up your chosen web browser and direct your attention to the URL bar. Type in the eBay website address or simply perform a quick search for ClickUp eBay on your preferred search engine. Once the page loads, you'll want to log into your eBay account by clicking the Sign In button, usually found on the top right corner of the page. Insert your login credentials, carefully ensuring there are no typos with your email and password, and click Sign In to access your account dashboard. With access to your account, the next part of our journey is to navigate to a specific section called My eBay. Look for this option, again typically located towards the top of your screen. When you click on My eBay, you'll be greeted with a drop-down menu that contains several options designed to help you manage your eBay activities and transactions. Find the option labeled Purchase History and click on it. This is a critical step as it directs you to a comprehensive list of all the purchases you've made on eBay over time. Now, within your purchase history, you'll find a chronological list of your transactions. It's time to identify the specific purchase for which you need the payment receipt. Carefully scroll through the list, which displays details such as the date of purchase, the item description, and the seller's information. Once you find the transaction you're interested in, click on the corresponding item to open more detailed information about that specific purchase. As you delve into the item's details, your attention should shift to finding the Order Details button. Clicking this button is the gateway to all the essential information about your transaction, including payment details that constitute the receipt you're looking for. Here, you'll be able to view and scrutinize all pertinent payment information such as the payment method, transaction ID, and the total amount paid. These details collectively form your payment receipt, a document which is crucial for record keeping and accountability. And there you have it. You're done. With these easy steps, you've successfully navigated through your eBay account and retrieved a payment receipt with ease. Remember, mastering these small but crucial navigational skills not only boosts your productivity, but also ensures that you maintain a well-documented record of your financial transactions. Thank you for following along, and I hope this has empowered you with the knowledge to handle your online purchases with confidence.